Hey everyone, Jai Jagannath. I welcome you all to a new tutorial where we will monitor our desktops or laptops temperature. We will be doing this by three methods. One by normal taskbar, another by coding, and lastly by installing a software from the Chrome browser. Do subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos. If done earlier, then thank you so much. Now let's don't waste more time and directly dive into my screen. As you can see my screen, this is my Windows 11 OS operating system, and we are going to see the first way, that is by taskbar. So this down here present is the taskbar. I will just right click here, click this task manager. After clicking task manager dialog box appears, click here performance, and here you can see many informations regarding your system. So here is our GPU 0, this is the processor, it's having 54 degrees Celsius, and this is GPU 1, this is the graphics card, it is having 41 degrees Celsius. So it's normal. 40 to 65 degrees Celsius is safe for normal workload. 70 to 80 degrees Celsius is normal for intensive apps or games. 80 to 85 degrees Celsius is bad for the CPU, but over 90 degrees Celsius is dangerous for your system. So immediately shut down it and address cooling immediately. So this is the first way to monitor your system's temperature. So we are moving to the second, that is by coding. So I will just right click on this desktop screen, click here new, and click here this text document. So one notepad file will be created. I will just rename it monitor underscore temp and press enter. So I will just double click it, and this is our code to be written inside this notepad file. So I'll just copy paste it. So I'll just press Ctrl C to copy. You can just write this code, or I will mention this code inside the description. So just copy from there. If your code after writing doesn't work, then do it copy paste. So after pasting here, click here file, go to save as, and here in place of .txt format, add BAT. It will be a BAT format, and remember, remove the text format and add here BAT format. Then only your coding will work. So click here save. After clicking here, one file will be created of the BAT file. So I'll just close this one. I will double click here. So you can see that it's coming error. So don't worry, it will not run like this. Just right click here and click here this run as administrator. So here some permission will be asked. So after granting the permission, you will see this, and here it's written 56.05 degrees Celsius. So this is the second way to monitor your system's temperature. Now we will be moving towards the third process, or the way, or the method, that is installing a software from the Chrome browser. So I will just open my Chrome browser here, search here CurrentTemp, and click this first link. So here is the CurrentTemp version. You can see this one. Click here download. One ad will come. Just cancel this one from here. And here you can see that downloading has been done. So just I'll press the Windows E or File Explorer. Go to downloads, and here is the file. Just double click it. Again, it will ask some permissions. So after giving the permission, you can see this dialog box. Just click here next. Check this one, I accept the agreement. No need to read this all things. Then again click next. No need to change the setup file location. Click here next. No need to check anything here. Click here next, and again click here install. So after clicking, installation has been done. Click here next, and just uncheck this one, view readme.txt. I don't want to read anything. Just launch CurrentTemp should be checked. Then click here finish. After clicking, you can see that CurrentTemp has been started. So here you can observe minimum temperature, maximum temperature, and power to your system. So this software is useful for monitoring three things: minimum, maximum, temperatures are present here. So this is very helpful. So these are the three ways to check or monitor your system's temperature. I hope now all knows how to check the temperature of their PC or laptop, and I believe now all will protect their system from getting overheated. Till then, have fun. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath. Signing off.